Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, this video, we're going to take a look at DP Detailing Products Insect Eliminator. Let's do it. All right, guys, so before we get this video started, if you like detailing videos, product review videos, ceramic coating videos, how-to videos, review videos like this one, take a second, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and then ring the little bell next to it, turn on all post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you do get notified. So you guys, I got this product, the Insect Eliminator, in a monthly subscription from Glovebox, you guys. Glovebox is a company where you sign up for a monthly subscription for a certain amount of money, and then every month they send you a box, usually around the first of every month. You get, sometimes I get it actually a day or two before the first of the month. You get a box full of detailing products and towels and stuff like that. And the value is always way more than what you pay per month. It's a great way to be able to try out products you probably would have never tried, like this one. I don't know if I'd ever bought a DP Detailing Products product. I have been testing it. I love it. It is really, really good. It's strong. It leaves the surface looking great. Obviously, when you're using an insect remover, it's usually right before the wash process, so the surface doesn't have to look great, but it actually looks really good when you get done using this, which makes me happy, and it doesn't take a lot of elbow grease. You want to know how to scratch your paint? Try to remove insects rough, really, really hard with a microfiber towel. You're going to scratch up your paint. This is going to help you eliminate that by doing all the hard work for you, and all you have to do is wipe with a microfiber towel, you guys. So if you guys are interested in a Glovebox or something like that, you guys, and I don't make any money from Glovebox. They don't pay me. I don't make any money by sending you guys to their website. But if you use code FAB20 at checkout, you'll get 20% off your first monthly subscription from Glovebox, you guys. So Insect Eliminator is a concentrated insect remover. I'm going to read really quick what it says. It says Insect Eliminator is a fast-acting concentrated formula that works to break down insect remains on a molecular level for complete removal from painted and glass surfaces, which is great. Obviously, you get bugs on your bumper, your hood, a lot of times your roof, above your glass, and your mirrors are where the majority of your bugs are going to be. So you can use this on your glass, which is awesome. The other cool thing about it, it says also perfect for removal of tar and even tree sap. Eliminator is strong enough for tough jobs, will not harm the treated surfaces. Don't put up with insects remains, eliminate them, which is awesome. So all you're going to do with this product, you guys, I'm going to show you quickly in this video. This shouldn't be a long video. You're going to spray it on the surface where you want to clean the bugs off. You can immediately wipe off if they're fresh bugs, like let's say you order into the store and you get back and you have bugs on your glass. You can wipe them off immediately. Bugs that have been there for a little while, like on the journey. We just got back from Darlington. A long weekend at Darlington is about a 1,500-mile round trip right around there. Bugs all over the front of the car, the windshield and everything. We're going to spray it on. We're going to let it sit for just a minute. I've already been using it on it though, and it works great. Just let it sit for about a minute or so, and then we're just going to go in. We're going to wipe off. We're not going to put a bunch of pressure down on it. We're just going to wipe those bugs right off, you guys. And this product here makes your job extremely easy. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and show you. These bugs are all over the front of this. There's some blood right there. Caked in. We're caked into the grill. On the headlights, it poured down rain on the way to Darlington. And on the way home, it was beautiful, of course, and tons of bugs. You could hear them actually hitting as you were driving. There, and then there's bug guts all over the glass. There, and there. I tried cleaning it on the mirrors. I tried cleaning it with the washers, is what I should say, while driving it. See bugs on that mirror. You're gonna see some bugs on this mirror. And a lot of times you will actually have bugs in this area just above your windshield. This time it doesn't really look like much other than maybe one right there, but not too shabby there. The bug deflector kept them off the hood, which is its job, you guys. So yeah, before we get to it, you guys, let me show you. So this is the side that I did before I decided to go ahead and make a video on it. You guys can see it was all over all this plastic on here, the fog light. The headlight was covered in bugs. As you can see the difference between that headlight and this headlight. So it is warm today. So it's about 80 right now. right around there. I'm gonna try to get you guys in close. Hopefully you can see the action here. So the windshield's gonna be hot when we do this, but great way to test on my car so you guys don't have to mess up yours. Get this leaf off of here. Okay, so basically, here's a bug that wants to get smashed. Go and get off of here. We're just gonna spray it on a couple sections. I know it says a little bit goes a long way, but we have a lot of bugs. And we're just gonna let it sit. And what you will notice, like this blood is starting to run almost immediately. The yellow right here is starting to run. Everything starts to run. It starts eating it up as soon as you spray it on. Now, I do not want it to dry. It's not going to hurt anything most likely, but I don't want it to dry. And the sun was not out earlier when I was doing this, so just kind of re-wet it a little bit. We're just going to take a fresh microfiber towel here in just a second, and with no pressure, we're just going to lightly rub, because you will scratch your paint up like crazy if you put a bunch of pressure down trying to remove bugs. We're just gonna wipe. As you can see, all the bugs are right in here, right there. I'm gonna fold this like this so I can use this clean side. I'm just gonna barely wipe. Barely, okay? Get this wet spot right here. I'm just going to take it over to the dry side. I'm just going to kind of barely press down, just kind of dry it a little bit. It did not remove all of them, but it removed most of them. Let me show you guys, just with that little bit of effort. It looks 98% better. I do need to go over here one more time. I got one stubborn one right here. I did not go over here, so you can see it was like before, and it looks way better with no effort. I mean, the cleaner did the work, you guys, not me. So let's go ahead and do it over here. I'm going to turn the towel to a clean, fresh side. Now this is indirect sunlight right here. You know what? Let's go ahead and do this big old goo right here. This product, ever since I've started using it, has made my life way easier. You guys, check this out. Check this out. Oh man. The little guy was sitting right next to me just a second ago. Did not get my camera out fast enough. I knew I heard something right behind me. Okay, so don't want it to dry. Look at that. One little smudge. That's all that was left over from that. Once again, I'm not putting a bunch of pressure down. Probably ought to bring the camera back down for you guys. I'm not putting a bunch of pressure down. I will keep saying that over and over and over. I want to overemphasize that because it's very important when you're doing bug removal. A couple spots actually dried on me while I was trying to show you guys that stupid bird. I mean, it's okay. I'm getting ready to wash it. It's not going to hurt anything. Go to this side, which is somewhat dry. As you see, those big bugs that were right here are gone. Still need to do this down here, but all these are gone. The one that was on this headlight right here is gone. Now, I don't care about being dirty, but all the bugs are gone. I will do this one here in just a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna do this right here. This is where you gotta be careful because that is like a black color almost. It's gonna dry really quick. I don't want to spray it all over the hood, so I'm just gonna put my towel there. Okay, and being it's plastic, we're just gonna wipe immediately. Not gonna hurt anything. I don't want it dripping all over the car, which is what it's gonna do if I, there you go. I accidentally hit the power button. So you can see where it's dirty and stuff before. The bug that was smashed up in here is gone. You guys, this product works extremely well. Obviously, there's a lot more that I need to clean. You know what? Let me just show you guys me cleaning the plastic. so you guys can see all these bugs in here. This one right here is pretty big. And what I want to do is keep this from getting all over the front of my bumper. Just clean. I'm gonna put a rag down here. Okay. Obviously you're gonna be able to pick that up no matter what. Now I'm not worried about what's in these cracks. I'll show you here in a second, because when I wash it, it'll get rid of it. There we go. I'm getting ready to wash it. Leftover product right there. See, it's all bubbly. Right through there. I have no idea why my phone's talking to me. But that got rid of all the bugs on the plastic. Also looks way better. So, you guys, I'm telling you right now, this is a must-have product if you do a lot of bug removal. All right, so let me show you guys the windshield. Hoping I can show you. I can't really see my screen because it's so sunny out. The bug smudges from the wipers. You can see the bug guts that are still on here. Okay. Now this windshield's in direct sunlight. We're going to wipe immediately because it is hot. I hate these stupid helicopters. Okay, so what I'm going to just do a small section. I'll show you a couple different sections. And we're going to wipe it immediately. And on glass, it comes off immediately. It's pretty cool stuff. Okay. One little spot right there is wants to be a butt. Right there. That's it. Go ahead and do this up here. It doesn't take much effort with this stuff. It actually does a pretty good job cleaning your glass too. But you definitely still need to go over with a glass cleaner. So all those smudges that were like right here, you see what the sun's doing. It's heating it up right where it was at. And you can wipe it right off, but all those smudges, all the bugs are gone on this side. Compared to this side, there are bugs everywhere. Little spots of bugs, big spots of bugs. I mean, everywhere, all over the windshield. That side is clean. It's ready to be washed. Yeah, you can see where I cleaned it once again. It's a hot, hot windshield. But I'll get done washing the car and then show you guys the after results so you guys can see what it looks like up here and there, in the mirrors and everything. And then that'll be about it. All right, you guys, so I am done. It's still dripping a little bit, but let me show you. The front end looks fantastic. Looks really good. Headlights look really good. Grill, good as it's gonna get. I hate these little honeycombs. This headlight. These are like rock chips here from the interstate driving. And a windshield, I haven't used any glass cleaner or anything on it, you guys. Looks amazing. No problem at all. The haziness we saw from the cleaner is gone after washing it with a pH neutral soap. Looks good. The mirrors look really good. Did not seem to take off any protection that was on the car. And it doesn't seem like it has in the past either when I hate these stupid things, when I've been testing it. So solid product right here from Detailing Products. All right, you guys, so as I showed you right there, Insect Eliminator is a very, very good product. I've been very happy with it ever since I've been testing it. I made this video a few days ago, so I'm hoping I remember what I want to tell you guys, but I got done doing it and washing the car, and then I got really busy, didn't have a chance to make the ending scene, so hopefully I remember. You guys check out this hat. This hat came in the glove box also with the Detailing Products, you guys, which is awesome. But Insect Eliminator, you guys, is simple to use. It is spray on. allow it to dwell for just a little bit. You're going to start seeing the blood and everything starting to bleed. I guess is the best way to say it. The guts and everything start to bleed down. And then you just wipe. Now, don't put a bunch of pressure down. You don't want to scrub those bugs into your paint because you are going to mar and you're going to scratch your paint. This is going to be the lubrication that you need to not scratch your paint, but it works awesome. I mean, it makes it extremely easy. This does all the work for you. All you have to do is guide the towel around to remove the bugs. You can use it on glass, you can use it on paint. When I used it on the glass, as you guys saw, it left a little bit of a haze on the glass. Once I washed the car and dried it, it was gone, so no big deal at all. And when you're going to use a bug remover, almost always right before you wash the car, so it really doesn't matter. Now, if you're going to try to get bugs off your window without washing your car, then you're going to have to follow it up with some type of glass cleaner, preferably Diamond Clear, which is what I sell you guys. It's the best glass cleaner I've ever used in my entire life. And you're going to have to follow it up to get rid of the haze that this leaves on the glass. But other than that, you guys, it works great on the paint, the glass. I used it on the plastic trim because there are bugs on the front, the lower part of the bumper, and on the grills I showed you guys. It works good. I'm sitting here looking at the car inside right now, and it looks absolutely amazing. This makes the job easy for you guys, and I definitely recommend this. I will try to find this product and put a link to it in the description of the video. I will also put a link to Glove Box in the description of the video also. Remember to use code FAB20. I'll put it right down here somewhere, and you should get 20% off your first monthly subscription from Glove Box. You guys, I definitely recommend them because they send out some awesome stuff, you guys. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.